A very good afternoon, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about pH. What is pH? That is power of hydrogen ion concentration, which tells us the strength of a particular acid or a base. How weak or strong your acid is, or how weak or strong your base is. Okay? We have already discussed about pH scale, whose values ranges from 0 to 14. If pH is 7, which is neutral solution. So that means your solution is
Neutral.
And who gave the pH scale? Very good, speak. That is Sorensen. Sorensen gave the pH scale. Okay. So its values ranges from 0 to 14. If the pH is more, which means the more basic is the solution. If pH is less, which means more acidic is the solution. Or more the pH, more is the concentration of OH negative ions and more is the basic character. Or less the pH, more is the concentration of H plus ions and more is the acidic strength. Okay? Next, universal indicator. See, universal indicator is a mixture of different dyes or chemicals which is used to calculate the pH of different solutions, or it is used to find out the colors of the solution or pH of different solutions. It is a mixture of different dyes or chemicals. See, you can see here are 6 beakers. Okay? In this, different solutions are present. So, on universal indicator, there is a marking from 0 to 14, or in some indicators there is a marking from 0 to 10. Okay? So, see, we have universal indicator. See this bottle, it is universal indicator. If you see, it has marking from 0 to 10 and also shows different colors. Like for 0, if the pH of a particular solution is 0, its color is dark red. Here orange. Fine. For neutral solution, it represents the color green. And when we are moving towards more basic character, the color changes from green to dark purple or blue. Fine. You can see here along with the pH, it also shows different colors. Suppose if I will add universal indicator in this, can you see the change in color? Can everyone in the class can see the change in color? So its pH must be around 2. We can match it with, by changing in its color, we can calculate the pH. Also a little bit red, dark red than this. Can you see the change in color? Okay, so this must be basic. Okay, its pH is around 10 because it is not dark purple. It is more basic. Can you see the color change?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see? Can you differentiate?
Yeah.
Fine?
Yes.
Concentrate here only. Can you see the color? So, this activity, this is used to find the pH of different solutions. Next is, we have already discussed about indicators. Indicators are the chemicals which gives different colors with acidic or basic solution, or will give different smell. See, it must be basic because it is showing dark purple color, and it must be acidic. So now I am showing you some test. See, first I am going to add phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a natural artificial indicator. What is its color? Natural color is colorless, and it gives pink color with base. See, can you find the change in color?
Yeah.
So it is your
Base.
Next I will check. This is any solution. I will check the color. It remains same. It is acidic because phenolphthalein remains
Same with
same in
acid.
acid solutions. Okay. Now I have another indicator. This is, suppose now I am testing it with methyl orange. What is its natural color?
Orange.
It gives yellow color with
Base.
base. So it must be some base. It is also base. So it must be basic compound. Now I will check in it. It remains
Same.
colorless. Oh sorry, it gives dark red color with
Acid.
Okay. Now I will show you pH strip test. Fine. See, we have blue litmus solution also, and we have pH paper also. So this is your blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. Blue litmus will turns to
Red.
red in
Acid.
acid. So first I will take acid. Can you see the change in color?
Yes, ma'am.
Blue litmus changes to
Red.
in acid. And if I will take about
Base.
base,
It will blue.
it will remains blue. Fine.
Fine.
Next, if I will take red litmus paper,
It will blue.
it will turn to
Blue.
blue in base,
Base.
very clearly visible.
Yes.
And if I will take in acid,
It will red.
it will remains
Red.
Fine. So these are some of the chemicals which are used to differentiate between acids and
Base.
Okay. We have discussed about universal indicator. I have shown you different colors
Yes.
with different mediums, and we can calculate the pH also. Next, I have shown you phenolphthalein and methyl orange
Methyl orange.
indicator. Okay. Okay, my dear students.